See here, stop talking now. Question number 4, right?
Yes, sir.
Exercise 5.3. Question number 4. See, same question. How many terms of AP 9, 17, 25 dot dot must be taken to give sum of, what is saying? Sum of 636. Saying sum of 636. Getting now?
Yes, sir.
See, so this is given Sn. This is your A is equal to 9.
9.
D is equal to 17 minus 9. How much? 8. Correct na? So you have Sn, you have A, you have D. Asking how many terms should be there, that sum should be this much. Asking number of term. Means N is equal to
Number.
what? N is equal to what? Yes na? Just find it, which formula will apply. We don't have here last term.
Yes, sir.
We don't have here last term, so second formula I can't apply. You have to apply first formula.
Last term.
Sn is equal to, speak,
n by 2, 2a plus
2a plus
n into n minus
n minus 1 into d. Reading also wrong, man. So 636. 636. Here n by 2 into 2 into 9 plus n minus 1. D is how much?
8.
8. Correct na?
Yes, sir.
Instead of taking this 2 here, instead of taking this 2
Yeah.
here, this number will be big. Better remove 2 from here. Correct. If you remove 2 from here, here 2, 2, 2, this one cancel and this become 4.
Yes, sir.
This become 4. So directly n into 9 plus n minus 1 into 4.
Yes, sir.
Correct. From both places 2 removed. Yes or no? So how much become this one? N into 9 plus 4n minus 4
1.
means n into 4n plus 5. 4n plus
5.
5. Multiply here. 4n square plus 5n. Here 366 minus 6 36. See, so you should find the product of 366 into 4. 336 into 4. We get this much and did the prime factorization also. Correct na? Now we should get difference of 5. We should get difference of 5. So one term is a 53 and 3 2 ja 6 2 ja 12 2 ja 24 2 ja 48. 40
8.
and 53 minus 48 we are getting 5 also, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes na? So we can use this. Means 4n square plus 53n minus 48n minus 3 636, right?
Yes, sir. 6.
So here 4n out. So n plus 53 will remain?
Yes, sir.
No. The only n will go out. Only
Yeah.
n. Here minus 48. 48 we can't take out. 12 can be taken out. 12 can be taken out. So it will remain 4n plus 53. 4n plus 53. Now 4n plus 53 out. N minus 12 out. Equal to
0.
0. If you solve this one, this will come minus 53 by 4. Minus 53 by 4. This is not possible. So answer n is equal to
12.
12. Means in this one, if 12 terms are there, their sum will be 636. Getting? Chalo see, question number 5. Question number 5 saying first term of AP is 5. Means A is given 5 and last term is 45. Means AN is given 45. This meaning is L also, right? And sum Sn is given 400. Then find the number of terms and the common difference. Find the number of terms and common difference. Now we know Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. Yes or no? Or yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So n by 2 into A is 5 plus 45. So this is n into 25. Yes or no? Now n is equal to 400 by 25. How many times it will go? 25 1 25. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And how much remain? 15. 25 छक्के 150. n is equal to 16, right?
Yes, sir.
n is equal to
And
16. Now if we get n is equal to 16, question is saying to find d. So n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So an is given 45. A is how much? 5 plus n minus 1 into n also you know, right?
yes, sir. 16.
16 minus 1 into d. Bring this one this side, so become 40.
40, sir.
Become 40. And now multiplication by 15 is equal to d. So how many times it will cancel? It can't cancel. 5 3 are 15, 5 8 are 40. So d is equal to 8 by 3.
3.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Done or not?
Yes, sir.
Question number 6. Question number
6.
6. Saying the first term and last term of the AP are 17 and 350. Means A1 is given 17 and AN is given 350. If the common difference is 9, here D is given also
9.
9. How many terms are there and what is their sum? First asking n and asking what? Sn. What all things asking? Sn and n. Right now? So first we'll try to find n. Yes or no? Because if we get n, we can able to find the Sn also. Yes na? So an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So an is equal to 350.
Yes, sir.
Is equal to, right? Not plus. 17 plus n minus 1 into d is how much? 9. Right now? So bring 17 this side. So 350 minus 17. 10 minus 7 3 and this is 4 minus 1 3. 333
Yes, sir.
by 9 is equal to n minus 3 3 is 9 2 1 3 7 is 21, right?
Yes, sir.
So n is equal to minus 1 this side plus 1 38.
Yes, sir.
N is equal to 38. Now Sn you can find
Yes, sir.
n by 2 into a plus l, because we have l also, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So n by 2. N is how much? 38.
38.
19.
Yes, sir.
A is how much? 17. L is how much? 350. Means 19 and here becomes 7 6, right now?
Yes, sir.
And 3.
3.
So you can multiply now, right? 367.
7.
At least you can multiply, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Copied. So see, question number 7 saying find the sum of first 22 term. Means saying S22 to find. Are you saying or not?
Yes, sir.
S22 is equal to what? In that given, D is equal to 7. D is equal to 7 and A22 and the 22 term is given 149. 149. Achha, A22 means A plus 21 D. Yes na? Is equal to 149. D is equal to 7. So A plus 21 into 7 is equal to 149.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Now A is equal to 149 minus 7 and 14.
Yes, sir.
So A is equal to how much? 2.
Yes, sir.
A is equal to
2.
2. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Acha. Now we should find S22. S22. Wait, we should write formula first. Try make habit of writing formula each and every time.
Sir.
Getting? If you write formula many times, it will memorize in the mind. So n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into
D.
d. So S22. N is equal to 22
By 2.
by 2. 2 into 2 plus 22, right?
Yes, sir.
Minus 1 into 7. This is 11. This is 4. And this is 21 into 7, right?
Yes, sir.
21 into 7. 147.
7.
Means 11 into 151. 150. So 11 1 is 11. 11 5 जा 55 plus 1 56. 11 1 जा 11 plus 5. 11 plus 5 16. So S22 will be 161. Here instead of using this formula you can use that A plus L also. A plus L. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L, means 22 by 2 into A is 2 plus L is how much? This one, right? 149. 149 means 11 into 151. Yes or no? So you'll get the same answer. True.
True, sir. True वाला three.
चलो क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. क्या बोल रहा है? 10 रुपए तो कुरकुरे है.
नहीं सर, 10 रुपए की three. कन्नड़ा
पर ले पहले.
नहीं कन्नड़ा.
चलो see. Find the sum of first 51 term of the AP. First 51 means S51 they are asking what? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
S51 they are asking. Whose second term and third term? Whose second term means A2. Are yes or no? And third term A3. Second term is given 14, third term is given 18. Correct.
Yes, sir.
If two terms are given, we can able to find the A and D also. Are yes or no?
Yes, sir.
A and D, and number of term is given 51.
Sir.
Are yes or no? In that we should find the sum. Are yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. How will find? So A2, A plus D. Are yes or no?
Yes, sir.
A plus 2D. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
1, 2. So A plus D is equal to 14. A plus 2D is equal to
18.
18.
Yes, sir.
Minus.
Yes, sir.
Minus D is equal to minus 4. 18, 14 minus 18 is minus 4, right? So D is equal to 4.
4.
If D is equal to 4, you can get the value of A. A is equal to 10.
10.
Get or not?
Yes, sir.
This 4 put here. Plus 4, minus 4, 14 minus 4, 10.
10.
So A is equal to 10. Achha. We get D also, we get A also. Can we find S51?
Yes, sir.
So Sn is equal to what the formula? Read fast. 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So what is n? What is n?
Yes, 51.
51. N is equal to 51. So 51 by 2 into 2A. A is how much? 10. N is how much? 51 minus 1. D is how much? 4. Yes or no? Or yes or no?
Yes, sir.
From full remove 2. So 51 into 10 plus this is 50
Yes, sir.
into 2. From here also 2 removed.
Yes, sir.
From here also 2 removed. So 51 into this is 100.
Yes, sir.
100 plus 10 110.
0.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So again become the same number, right? I think. No, right? No. So 11 1 ja 11.
Yes, sir.
11 5 ja 55 plus 150.
Yes, sir.
6.
150.
So 5 6 1
0.
0. Question number
But
what? Ombat, right?
9.
Question number 9. Question number 9. Saying if the sum of first 7 term of AP is 49. What saying? Sum of, here given sum, not the number given, okay?
Some.
Means sum of first 7 term means S7 is given 49 and that of 17th term, then that of 17th term A17 is given 289. So find the sum of first n term. If the sum of first 7 term is 49 and that of 17th term is 289, then find sum of n term. Saying to find Sn. Saying to find
Yes. Say.
Sn is equal to what? Correct na?
Sure.
Alright, 2 things is given. 2 things is
Given.
given. Wait, and that of 17 term. So S17 is given or A17 is given? Read the question again. If the sum of first 7 term of AP is 49 and that means they are saying about the sum only, not the this 8 term. Correct? Then saying to find their sum of n term. Question is clear?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. So S7 is equal to what you can write? First Sn is equal to write formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Yes na? So S7 means 7 by 2. Are yes or no? 2 into a plus 7 minus 1 into d. This is 49. This is
49.
49 is equal to 7 by 2 into 2a plus 6d. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
From here we can remove the 2. From here you can remove the 2. So 49 is equal to 7 into a plus 3d. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So 49, and can you bring this 7 this side?
Yes, sir.
So this becomes 7.
7.
So a plus 3d is equal to 7. This becomes equation number
1.
1. Yes or no? Same thing you can apply here also. So S17 is equal to 17 by 2. Yes na?
Yes, sir.
Into 2 into a plus 2 into a plus n minus 1. 17 minus 1 into d. True? So S17 is 289. Yes na? Is equal to 17 by 2 2 into a plus 16d. Are yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Pakka.
Yes, sir.
Now this 2 take out from here. 2 take out from
Yeah.
here. So a plus 8d.
Yes, sir.
A plus 8d. This 17 bring this side. So 17 a square is 289.
Yes, sir.
So this directly 17 only.
Yes, sir.
Means here we get the equation number 2. Equation number
2.
here equation number 1
One.
from
1 and 2.
1 and 2. A plus 3d is equal to 7. 8d is equal to 17. Minus minus minus.
Yes, sir.
Getting or not?
Sir.
This get cancelled.
Yes, sir.
So minus of 5d is equal to minus of 10. So d is equal to 2.
Yes, sir.
D is equal to
2.
2. If we get d is equal to 2, d is equal to
2.
2, a is equal to how much? 6.
6.
6.
6 minus 6,
Yes, sir.
a is equal to 1.
X.
1.
A is equal to
1.
1. But question are asking what is the Sn?
Sn.
What is the Sn?
N.
So I am writing here. Sn is equal to a plus n by 2, right?
Yes, sir.
N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d.
D.
True?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now we have the a also and we have the d also.
Yes.
Okay. So n by 2 into 1. 2 into 1. N minus 1 into d is equal to
2.
2.
Hello.
So n by 2 into 2 plus n minus 1 into 2. This become your Sn.
N.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Are you done?
Sir.
One more thing. This is looking more easy. Can we solve more? Try to solve.
Sir, conveniently please, sir.
N by 2. See, actually 2 is there both places, right?
Sir. ಹೌದು. Divide ಮಾಡಿ.
Leave. Now I'll not divide. 2n minus 2, right? 2 get cancel. Now 2 get cancel. So n into n.
0.
N square.
ಓ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ?
Sn is equal to
N square.
Yes, sir. ಬರೀ
N square.
ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ?
question number 10. See here. So that a1, a2, an. What saying? a1, a2, an form an AP. Form an
AP.
AP where an is defined below. Question number 1, an is given. 3 plus 4n, and question number 2, an is given
8.
9 minus 5n. 9 minus 5n. Saying also find the sum of first 15 term. Also find the sum of first 15 term. Getting na?
Sir.
Chalo. Means you should find S15 in the both cases.
Yes, sir.
Acha. But first thing saying, is this is forming an AP or not? Is this is forming an AP or not? So forming an AP, common difference would be same.
Yes, sir.
Common difference would be same. So we'll find here S A1, n is equal to 1. So 3 plus 4 is equal to 7.
7.
A2, 3 plus 8 is equal to 11.
11.
A3, 3 plus 12 is equal to 15. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Means what is the D in both cases? 11 minus 7 and 15 minus 11. Yes na?
Yes, sir.
So 11 minus 7 is 4 and here also 4. We are getting D both places same.
Yes, sir.
D both places
Same.
same. If you are getting D is same means it is forming AP. Means we can say it is an AP. Now saying to find S15. S15.
15.
So Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus n minus 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S15. So 15 by 2. 2a. A is how much? 7?
Yes, sir.
14? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This is 6. This is
6.
7 minus 1 is 6. And d is how much? 4.
4.
So into 4. So 15 by 2. And this is 24.
Yes, sir.
24. 24 plus 4.
38.
38.
Yes, sir.
19. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So 15 into 19. So this question you people only can do. Yes or no? Same thing, right?
Yes, sir.
So that one you try. Question number 11. Question number
11.
saying if the sum of first n term of an AP, sum of first n,
term of
first n means Sn given. Yes or no? See here,
ಮುಂದೆ ನೋಡ್ಲೆ
4n minus n square. Sn is given 4n minus n square. What is the first term? What is the first term? How will find the first term now? What is that first term? That is asking S1. Asking S1. So S1 is equal to 4 into 1 plus, sorry, minus, right? 1 a square is equal to 4 only. Yes or no?
Yes, sorry.
4 only or 3 only, man?
4 only, sir. 4 only.
3. This one where went?
Oh.
Right? S1 is equal to how much? 3. Acha, next question asking what is the sum of first two term? What is the sum of first
2 number.
two term? So first find S2. Find S2 because this is the given n term, right?
Sir.
Formula. So just put the value of n. So 4 into 2 minus 2 square. So 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. S2 is equal to 4, right? S2 is equal to.
4.
Did you get? Acha. Next question asking what is the second term? What is the second term? So second term how will find? First term is 3, right?
Sir.
First term is
3.
see why I'm saying first term means sum of the first term or first term both will be same only, na? Sum of the one term and the first term both will be same. Means this is your A, this is your, and if sum of the two term, sum of the two term means 3 plus A2, we have 4. 3 is the first term, right? 3 is the, see, A1 plus A2 is given 4. S2 is 4, na?
Yes, sir.
A2 is,
4.
sorry, S2 is 4.
4.
Means sum of first term and second term is given 4.
Yes, sir.
Yes, na? So first term we have get how much? 3. So 3 plus A2 is equal to 4. So A2 is equal to 1.
1.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So second term we get 1. Pakka?
Yes, sir.
What is the second term? Till here over. Similarly, find the third term, 10th term and n term. Find the third term also. Hey Bhagavan. So, see, we get the first term. And we get the first term.
Yes, sir.
We get the second term.
Yes, sir.
So D is equal to what? A2 minus A1.
A1.
So A2 is 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. So D is equal to minus 2. D is equal to Acha, if D is equal to minus 2, asking A3. Asking A
3.
means A plus 2D. So A is how much? 3.
3.
A is how much?
3.
Where you find it, man? Here, right?
Sir.
A is
3.
3. So 3 plus 2 into D is how much?
Minus 2.
Minus 2. 2 into minus 2. So 3 minus 4 is equal to minus 1. A3 is equal to
Minus 1.
minus 1. Acha, one more question. Similarly, find the 10th term.
Yeah, 4.
Find the
10th term.
A10 is equal to A plus 9D.
Yes, sir.
So A is 3, 9 minus into minus 2. 3 minus 18 is equal to minus 15. A10 is equal to
Minus 15.
minus 15. 15 or 16, man? $18 minus 3, how much we get? 18 minus 3,
15.
15 only, right? Acha. Similarly, find the nth term. Find the
Nth term.
Bapre. A n is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So A is how much? 3
3.
plus n minus 1 into minus 2
Yes, sir.
means 3 plus 3 minus 2 and plus 2.
Plus 2.
Yes, na?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
So this become 5 minus 2n is an. Is
A1.
Bapre, how many questions were there in this, man?
ಇನ್ನು 5 ನಿಮಿಷ ಆಗಿದೆ.
I forget the counting also. Done.
Yes, sir.
But all done, right? Or yes or no?
Sure.
Chalo.
Sir, 8 minutes, sir.
Question number
5 ಮಿನಿಟ್ 1 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆಗೈತಿ. ತತ್ತಿನಾ?
12. Bring camera here.
ಓ ತಂದೆ ಸರ್ ತಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
Question number 12. Question number
12.
12. Chalo. Where is question number 12? Find the sum of first 40 positive integer. First 40
College.
positive integer divisible by 6. Divisible by 6. So first term will be 6, second will be 12, third will be 18, and last will be 14 to 6.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Sir.
So 6 for the 24. 240. Yes na? A1, A2,
A3.
AN.
Yes, sir.
A1, A2.
N.
And what the question asking? Find the sum. We should find sum. Chalo. So here D is how much? 6.
6.
So Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L, right?
Yes, sir.
Because last term you know, last term we, so why to apply the long formula? So n is equal to 40, or n is equal to
N is equal.
40 by 2, 6 plus 2, 40.
Yes, sir.
So 40 into, how much become this one? 246. Or yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Better make this one 20. 246. So 6 2 ja 12, 4 2 ja 8 plus 1 9, 2 2 ja 4. This much answer you should get. Small question, right? Question number 13. Question number
13.
13. Find the sum of first 15 multiple of 8. See, first
Term.
15 multiple of 8. So first term multiple of 8, right? First term 8, second term 16,
Yes, sir.
third term 24,
4.
and last term 15 into 8. Pani athi bisa se.
120.
How to read? Pani athi
180.
bisa se. 15 8 ja 120. We remember, we have learned table like this only, man. Hindi people, right?
180.
ಪುಣ್ಯ ಆಂಟಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪನ್ನ ಆಂಟಿ ಪನ್ನಿ ಪನ್ನ ಪೋತಿ ಪುಣ್ಣಿ ಅಂತಾರೆ.
See here. So we get the first term, we get the last term, we get the second term. So D is equal to also 8. Yes or no? So Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. So S15 they are asking. So 15 by 2 into 2 into 8, 16 directly
Yes, sir.
plus this is 8 minus 1, 7.
7.
7 into 8, 56. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So now 15 by 2, how much become this one? 6, 2, right? This is 36. So 15 into 36.
36.
15 into
56.
36.
36. Yes or no? Something become wrong, man.
Question I
N is equal to 15, right?
Yes, sir.
N is equal to
15.
so 15 minus 1, 14 na.
question I
14 into 8. 14 into
8.
8. So 16 plus 8 और 3 11. Correct na?
Yes, sir.
So 15 into how much become? 128 by 2. 128 by 2. 6 4. So 15 into 64. 15 into
64.
64. How much will get?
64.
Mobile not required, man. See, small multiplication. We are getting this much confused. See, 15 चौके 60.
7.
हाँ, sir. 7.
15 चौके 60. 60.
Yes, sir.
ले 15 जन के 7.
Remaining 6.
Yes, sir.
15 पचे 75. 15 छक्का 90 plus 6. I told you to mug up table,
I told you to back up table.
right?
मस्त है ये.
If you not mug up table, calculation will be late only.
सर कैसे मगअप किए सर आप हिंदी में वो भी.
When I was very small, like before UKG,
ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ.
ಹೇಳೋ ಇವಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ನೀನು.
ಏನು
ಎರಡಂತ
960.
ಎರಡಂತ ಹೇಳು ಸಾಕು.
chalo, don't waste the time.
6
Try to remember table.
ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತಿದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Question number 14. See here. Find the sum of a odd number between 0 and 15. 0 and 50. Sorry. Odd number between 0 to 50. So odd number which one? 1, right?
Yes, sir.
3, 5, 7, and 50 is the even number, right?
Yes, sir.
So till 49. Till
49.
49. This is your A1.
Yes, sir.
This is your AN.
Yes, sir.
A2. So D is equal to 2. D is equal to 2. But question is, we don't know the number of term here. We don't know number of term. So first find number of term n. Actually we know we can find this till 25. Because a small number, so we can find in the mind only. But go through the formula, right? So an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is given 50.
Yes, sir.
50 or 49?
49.
49. So 1 plus n minus 1 into 2. So this become 48 by 2 is equal to n minus 1. So how much this is? 24? Yes or no? Plus 1 is equal to n. So n is equal to
24.
25.
Yes, sir.
N is equal to
25.
now asking its sum. Asking its sum. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus L. So n is 25 by 2 into a is 1 plus L is 49. Right now? So 25 into 25, 625. What happened?
625.